How to enable sound effect in the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to enable the sound effects on it, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening your app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings option at the top. Just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find sound effects right here on the general option. Now to enable it, simply tap onto this button right here. Now select it. And now you can see the sound effect is now enabled. Now you will get the sound effects on this application. And that's it. This is how you can enable sound effect in the Encode app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.